Welcome back to another day, another adventure. I'm Deb, these are my adventures, and I'm a flight attendant who is still house hunting. We're going to see 2 more houses this morning. It's actually quite disgusting out in Orlando, but not as quite as ugly as it was yesterday. It's just super overcast. 9:45 right now. Casey and I are looking at 2 houses. That's like 15 minutes from here. They're both like almost in the same area. I think they're like 7 minutes apart from each other. My dad is on his way out here to help us and to look at the houses with us because he used to be in real estate, so he likes this kind of stuff, unlike myself. I hate this stuff. Hopefully we find our dream home today. Hopefully we like them. I know one of them was supposed to have like 20 showings already, so who knows what we're going up against, but both these houses are super under budget. That's really good for us. Thank you. Do you like the kitchen? I mean, it's small, but
the main thing is you're getting a den and a dining room.
Yeah.
With a 3-2. That's why it feels a little tight here, but you have all that space there too. So usually 1,300 square foot is, so you really need you actually a room and or eventually if you want to. Done with the first house. We are going to the second one. That first house was really good. It checked off just about everything on our list. Great location, great price, great layout. You like it? Yeah. So we're gonna go see one more and then we will make our decision. So the one we're about to go see is actually cheaper than the one that we just saw, but it does need more work done to it, necessity wise, with a roof and an AC. So we will see what we are getting ourselves into. Faster timeline for you guys to have to upgrade these things. Whereas the other one, then you do It's 2-car. Having a boat day with the girlies and Lee. Shout out to Lindsay for having us on the boat. But our realtor sent us 2 documents to sign because we're putting in 2 offers on 2 different houses to better our chances. So here we go to signing on the boat. Such a Florida thing. I feel like as a flight attendant, when I work Monday through Friday, I feel like Sundays are just like when I was in school doing all my homework, except now I'm packing and meal prepping, and it just gives off that same vibe as it did when I was in school. We're actually starting a 3-day trip tomorrow. We're supposed to hopefully find out if we got a house today or not. I don't know by today because all the offers were supposed to be accepted last night by 9 p.m. and they were making a decision today. So if we don't hear from them, we didn't get one house, but we did put in 2 offers yesterday. I think I said that before I went on the boat with Lindsay and Devin. Both very under budget. We put in a whole offer and then we put in an acceleration offer. So it's like eBay, it's like a bidding war. So whoever else put in an offer, ours goes up to a certain amount. We'll see what happens if we get a house or not. The market is just so crazy and you can only do so much. We're going on a 3-day trip tomorrow. We are going to Tampa, so Casey's gonna come stay with me. We're going to Cincinnati, which is one of my favorite layovers just because I love the hotel. It's really clean, it's in a great area, and the people are nice. Tomorrow we do 2 legs. We go to Buffalo first. So we do Orlando, Buffalo, Buffalo, Tampa, then 1 leg to Cincinnati on day 2, which doesn't even report till the afternoon, so I get to eat lunch in Tampa, which is nice, and the hotel gives us free breakfast. We always love a hotel with free breakfast. And then on go home day is Cincy, Orlando with a Baltimore turn. Goal was to have everything ready to roll by noon this morning, so I didn't waste my whole afternoon sitting around. 11:30, let's get to packing so I can have a good Sunday. Okay, so there has been a slight change of plans, kind of, sort of. We are still going on a 3-day trip, but 2 houses popped up, so thank God I will be in Tampa, and thank God I have the best parents in the world because I land at 6:30, so I'm gonna go to the hotel with my crew. My parents are picking me up, and then they're letting me borrow their car to drive back here so I can have my layover at my apartment, so then the following morning I can get up and go see these 2 houses with Casey, just because like they just popped up last night. So today's the first day, tomorrow's the second day, so who knows if they'll even be there by Tuesday morning. Hopefully they will be. So I basically am going on a turn tomorrow, so then I can come home again, repack my baby bag, and then go to Cincinnati. So it's gonna be a very busy 3-day for me personally. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack up one of these bags, throw some PJs in it just in case I do get stuck in Buffalo. Well, I did meal prep this morning, but I'll be able to, I'm still gonna take one of my dinners with me just in case for whatever reason we get stuck. It's nice that I'll be able to come home. Shout out to my parents for letting me borrow their car. So now I have to repack really quick. All that I'm really gonna throw in here is my basic essentials. Actually, I think I have some already in here. I gotta take my coloring book, toiletries, chargers, my work Bible. This is my holy grail. Everything I need to know for every single situation. To need an outfit to drive home in. So I just have shorts, a t-shirt, and I just need to grab my credit cards because I'm flying with the credit card king himself. And I was joking with him, I was like, you're buying me my house. So I have my tablet charging out there, because just in case I do get a checkup on by my supervisor, it has to be at 90% or higher, so that'll be good to go. And I think that's really it. So sorry that I had to pack this bag twice in one video.